Hey guys, Emily here from the Wellington County Museum. We have 3 Christmas crafts for you to enjoy at home. One of them is a shimmering snow globe. You can also grow your own icicles, and you can make your own Christmas ornaments to decorate your Christmas tree or any part of your house that you'd like. We have some different clips that will show you step by step of how to make them, and we hope that you enjoy and have some fun. All right, it's time to make our own icicles, and we're going to be able to watch them grow overnight, which is really exciting, really cool to see. To make our icicles, we're going to need a couple things. The first thing is you're going to need a container, a large container with a nice open and wide opening, so then our icicles can grow inside of it. Inside of this container, you should also have 2 cups of hot water. You will also need 1/3 of a cup of borax, a popsicle stick, a piece of string, some pipe cleaners, and if you'd like, you can also use a cookie cutter to help shape your icicles. So the first thing that we're going to do is very carefully, we're going to pour the borax into the container with water. And the borax is going to dissolve in the water. So very carefully, I'm going to pour this borax inside, just nice and slow. And it's going to start to dissolve. There we are. Okay, now that we've done that, we can set this off to the side for now, very carefully. Now what we're going to do is we're going to shape our pipe cleaners into whatever shape we want our icicles to be. What you can do if you want to do more of a traditional icicle shape is you can just take your finger and twist your pipe cleaner around to make it nice and twirly and curly, just like this. And unravel it so it's nice and curly. Or if you want to do something cool and different, you can also use a cookie cutter or a different shape to shape your pipe cleaners into something a little bit more unique. So in this case, we have the star cookie cutter. And to do this, we're going to take our pipe cleaner and we're just going to shape it around, hold it around that cookie cutter so the pipe cleaner will bend to the shape that we want it to be. And we'll go all the way around to the end of the pipe cleaner. There we go. Take that cookie cutter away, and then you can finish it by twisting one end of the pipe cleaner to the other, like this. So kind of twist it together. There we go. There's our star. Now the next thing that we're going to do, I'm going to use my star for this one, is we're going to tie this top part of the star to the end of the piece of string. So you can take that extra end of the pipe cleaner and kind of fold it over so that it stays. And then you can tie a knot in this with the string to make it nice and secure. I'm going to do a double knot just to make sure it's nice and tight. There we go. So now we're going to tie the other end of our string around the popsicle stick. Just like what we did with the star, so you can loop it around your popsicle stick and tie it in a double knot. Make it nice and tight. Excellent. Okay, now we're ready to put our pipe cleaner into the borax and water mixture that we made earlier. So you're going to bring back that container that has the water and borax in it. And very, very carefully, we're going to put the pipe cleaner shape that you made into the cup with the borax and water. And then we're going to just very carefully, we can lay this popsicle stick right on top to help support it. And that's all that we do for now. Now we leave this sitting for about 24 hours. So we're going to leave it sitting overnight. And tomorrow, when you check it, it'll have nice crystals and a nice icicle look to it. We hope you guys enjoyed these little craft workshops at home. Have a very Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. We hope to see you again soon. Just like this.